Jefferson County Court of Law is back in session. Next case is clause number 328-744. Case is style of State of Texas versus Janicia Lachey Gilliam. Ms. Gilliam, how are you doing? You doing okay? That's good. Now, Ms. Gilliam. Okay, we have a case on the court's motion to revoke probation docket. Okay, now, Ms. Gilliam, this case was filed on July 27th. Well, the motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation was filed on July 27th of 2022. In this motion that was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office, it alleges that you, Janicia Lachey Gilliam, was tried in County Court at Law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, on February 4th of 2022 for the offense of failure to identify. And the court found that the evidence was sufficient to beyond a reasonable doubt support a finding of guilt in your case. And the court deferred adjudicating you guilty and placed you on probation or unadjudicated probation for a period of 1 year. In this motion, there are 2 allegations. First allegation alleges that you, Janicia Lachey Gilliam, committed the offense of theft on or about the 17th day of June of 2022 in the county of Fort Bend, state of Texas, against the peace and dignity of the state in violation of condition 1 of your probation order. Now, allegation number 2 alleges that you, Janicia Lachey Gilliam, failed to remain in the following location: Jefferson County, Texas, as ordered by the court by being in Fort Bend County on or about the 17th day of June of 2022 without the permission of Jefferson County Probation Department of the court in violation of condition 7 of your probation order. Now, Ms. Gilliam, if the court finds that you have violated any one of these conditions of your probation can be revoked. And if your probation is revoked, you can receive up to 1 year in the county jail for this Class A misdemeanor offense of identified fugitive from justice. Now, as a defendant in a criminal case, Ms. Gilliam, you have rights. Mr. Bailey, would you please hand her the judge's explanation of rights to defendants without an attorney? Now, Ms. Gilliam, the bailiff is handing you a document that is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without an Attorney, and I will go over this document with you. As a defendant in a criminal case, you have 3 options regarding your right to have an attorney. Number 1, you may hire an attorney. Do you understand that option? Hold on a minute. Is that Mr. Jenkins? Mr.
Yes,
Jenkins,
sir. Yes, sir.
would you please put your mic on mute? And then when we call your case, you'll be able to take it off of mute.
Okay. Yes, sir. Let's see. Let's do that. What does it? Oh,
Okay, thank you. Now, Ms. Gilliam, the document that you have before you is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. As a defendant in a criminal case, you have 3 options regarding your right to have an attorney. Number 1, you may hire an attorney. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
Number 2, if you do not have enough money to hire an attorney, you may request an attorney be appointed to represent you. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
Number 3, you may represent yourself. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you want an attorney to represent you and have enough money to hire an attorney, the case will be reset to give you time to do so. If you want an attorney and do not have the money to hire an attorney, you will need to fill out a financial questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not to appoint an attorney to represent you. If you desire to represent yourself, you may not speak to the prosecutor about your case unless you sign a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. Be aware that there are dangers to self-representation. Waiving your right to an attorney and representing yourself may result in the worst outcome for you and your case, including the loss of significant legal rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of a firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status for non-citizens, and employment. If you choose to proceed without an attorney, you may change your mind at any time and may request counsel from the court. Do you understand that? Yes. Now, at the bottom of this document, it states defendant's choice. Mark initials next to only one choice. If your choice is, I want to reset this case or hire my own attorney, then you'll place your initials on the first line to the left. If you have already hired an attorney to represent you, then you'll place your initials on the second line to the left and the name of the attorney on the line to the right. If your choice is, I want to apply for court-appointed counsel, which is a court-appointed attorney, then you'll place your initials on the third line to the left. If you have already been appointed a court-appointed attorney in this case, then you'll place your initials on the fourth line to the left and the name of the attorney on the line to the right. If your choice is, I want to waive my right to an attorney, which means I want to give up my right to an attorney and represent myself, then you'll put your initial on the fifth line to the left. Do you understand? Yes. Now, once you have finished initialing one of the 5 lines, you will sign your signature on the line that's titled defendant, and you'll place today's date, which is October 14th, 2022, on the line that is titled date. Do you understand? Okay. Okay. Let's see what you. Okay. Now, Ms. Gilliam, let me go over this document with you. Now, Ms. Gilliam, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? And is this your initials on the line that state you want to, you need to?
We can go ahead.
Okay.
I just got to turn on the movie.
Okay. Now, are these your initials on the line stating that you want your case reset to hire your own attorney?
Yes, sir.
Now, Ms. Gillen, before you sign and initial this document, did you read the document? Did you understand what you read? And is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ms. Gilliam, your case is going to be reset. You're going to stand on the forex in front of our coordinator. Once you reset your case, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.